Economics past question number 37 says upstream oil activities involves the following: A. Management of pollution. B. Marketing of refined products. C. Exploration of crude oil. D. Refining of crude oil. The upstream at oil activities involve the following: source of government revenue, generation of employment, improvement of standard of living, establishment of oil-related industries, infrastructure development, source of foreign exchange, improvement of balance of payments, positive foreign policy, major source of energy, provision of wide range of products. So based on this, option C, which says exploration of crude oil, is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.